So now here's our bearded area here, cutting straight through the middle of that. That will actually hold all of the onion together as we slice it. Turning it over to its flat side, here's our bearded area, and then you want to over-exaggerate the blade so it comes over the onion. And the idea of this is so that this area here stays whole, so you're not slicing through it, which helps when you're keeping all of the onion together. So again, slice through, bringing the knife back to you, not forgetting our pinch grip, keeping the knife nice and firm in the hand, nice grip, and slicing through, leaving a gap at the back. And as you come all the way through, keeping your fingers nice and tight and your thumb tucked up out the way at the back, right the way down to the very bottom. Turning it away to the side, and again, one cut diagonally through the onion, back up, pinch grip into our rocking position, and then down. And what we're looking for is a uniform diced onion. As we come over the back, lifting the top of the knife up, come to the stage that becomes a little bit difficult, or the wibbly wobbly stage. This you push down, rolling your knife around the side, round, through, and then slicing down to the area at the very, very back. There we go. All the way through.